Working President Jongkaseng National People's Party Jongkynnoh ke Jela Marcus Marak ulaong baki Jingkynnoh ke biadai baga Jingshalan Beaiñ ya ke Shini syari Bangladesh kedai tang ki buj banyo mentoi hakaliang kesan hima sima haswa ke election Jongkayeng dorba tawaan Lok Sabha. Umarak ulaong baki don laki rukom traikam hapo ke sorkar lada don ke Jingshalan mar Beaiñ se Bangladesh ke don ke rukom traikam hakaba ka tenat kostum bat ke sipai da kaput ke BSF ki pektu bahaya ki kaput ulaong ru bala syukran klem da don nongrim Halor ke nikamat hakapo bayalap election nak benta ke yeng dorbar Lok Sabha.
That was an allegation. It should not, because there's a system in the government. If illegal things are being exported to Bangladesh, there's a system, there's a custom to check that, and there's a BSF who's monitoring the border issues, the border there. So it should come out. So therefore, I think that is unnecessary issues which came up, which was raised, and then Chief Minister has already, taken a step there. If that kind of systems are there, it should be stopped totally. That is what I told you, that Honorable Chief Minister has already taken a decision that if this kind of systems are there, it should be stopped immediately. Because otherwise we were depending on the BSF and then customs there. They're the one who monitors the border. So it should stop immediately. That's what Honorable Chief Minister has taken a decision.
Layok